Did you know you could transform simple drawings into a profitable business on Amazon, making up to $5,000 per month without dealing with any inventory? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to create captivating coloring books that sell, and I have a secret tip at the end that could double your earnings. What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Let's start with the basics. The coloring book market is booming, and it's not just for kids anymore. Adults across the globe are turning to coloring books for relaxation and stress relief. This growing trend presents a unique opportunity for creators like you. Why Amazon, you ask? Well, Amazon offers a seamless platform where you can publish your coloring books without worrying about inventory or shipping. They handle everything, allowing you to focus on creating and selling. Now you might be wondering how to begin. This is where BookBolt comes in. It's a game-changing tool designed specifically for creating low-content books, including coloring books. BookBolt simplifies the process of designing, researching, and listing your books on Amazon. Designing your book is where the fun begins. First, choose a standard size for your coloring book, like 8.5 by 11 inches, which is perfect for detailed artwork and keeps printing costs down. Using BookBolt, you'll have access to a variety of templates and illustrations for the interior of your book. And for the cover? BookBolt helps you create an eye-catching design that stands out, ensuring you incorporate keywords to boost your book's visibility. Finding the right niche is crucial. With BookBolt's research feature, you can explore top-selling coloring books and identify profitable niches. Keywords are your best friend here. They ensure your book shows up in search results, connecting you with your target audience. Pricing your book competitively is key. Look at the top sellers in your niche for guidance. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me, and might even mean the world to someone else. When listing your book on Amazon, make sure your description is accurate and keyword-rich. This not only helps with visibility, but also ensures your audience knows exactly what they're getting. Once your book is live, it's time to promote it. Use Amazon ads and social media marketing to spread the word. Don't underestimate the power of reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback, which can significantly enhance your book's credibility and visibility. Ready to take things to the next level? Expand your portfolio by creating more coloring books within your niche. Keep an eye on trending topics. They can be a goldmine for quick, themed coloring books that capture immediate interest. If you enjoyed this video, then you won't want to miss any of our upcoming content. Smash that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we're on a quest to discover the internet's wealth. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. We've covered a lot today, from designing your coloring book to scaling your business. Remember that secret tip I mentioned? Here it is. Utilize trending topics for quick, themed coloring books. This approach can set you apart and attract a flood of new customers. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now. Android and iOS links in the description. I encourage you to start your coloring book project today. Share your progress or questions in the comments below. Let's turn your creativity into profit together. Your creativity could be your next income source on Amazon. Remember, every big journey starts with one small step. Take that step today. Got questions or need clarification? Your curiosity drives our mission. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll help steer you towards success. Let's tackle these challenges together and unlock new levels of online earnings. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more ways to turn your passion into profit. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.